Good morning student. Welcome to online classes. Student, today we are going to turn on class 4 subject maths exercise 3. First of all, today we will get study to get about the expanded form. So firstly to will read children. Let's see about the expanded form. What is your expanded form? Writing a number as the sum of the place value of its digit is called the expanded form. Writing a number as the sum of the place value of its digit is called the expanded form. For example, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Make the place value chart. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000 and lakh. Put the number here. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. How can we write? 3 is place in lakh, so 3 into 1 lakh plus 4 is 10,000 5 into 1000 plus 6 into 100 plus 7 into 10 and plus 8 into 1. Okay. So it means writing as a number as the sum of the place value. This is your place value and sum of its digit is called the expanded form. Three into 1 lakh, 3 lakh. 4 into 10,000, 40,000. 5 into 100, 500. Sorry, 5 into 1,000, 5,000. 6 into 100, 600. 7 into 10, 70 plus 8. This is your expanded form. Clear? So let's see the first question of your book in exercise 3. Write the expanded form of the following numbers. Question number first, 7 8 0 9 8. Make the place value chart. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Put the value 8 9 0 8 7. From the place value chart we can write 7 into 10,000 plus 8 into 1000 plus 0 into 100 plus 9 into 10 plus 8 into 1. Multiply this. 7 into 10,000, it means 70,000 plus 8 into 1000, 8,000 plus 0 into 100, 0, 9 into 10, 90 plus 8 into 1, 8. Okay. Now the next question. Next, it can also write 70,000 plus 8,000 plus 90 plus 8. 0 is removed here because 0 is meaningless. Next part, this question. 4 2 1 9 9 0 0 9 9 1 2 and 4. Four, 2, 1, 9, 9, 0. B wala question. From the place value chart we can write 4 into 1 lakh plus 2 into 10,000 1 into 1000 plus 9 into 100 and another 9 into 10 plus 0 into 1 is 0. It means 4 into 1 lakh equal to 4 lakh. 2 into 10,000, 20,000. 1 into 1000, 1000. 9 into 100, 900, and 9 into 10, 90. Clear? Next. One 0 7 0 9 2. Draw the place value chart. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh. 2 9 0 7 0 1. From the place value chart we can write 1 lakh 1 into 1 lakh plus 0 has no meaning, plus 7 into 1000, again 0, remove, plus 9 into 10 plus 2 into 1. It means 1 lakh 7,000 plus 90 plus 2. Next part, this question. Question number D. 8 8 7 7 3 4 1. Put the value in place value chart. 1 4 3 7 7 8 8. Okay, question is 8 8 7 7 3 4 1. Place value chart we can write 8 is 10 lakh place, 8 into 10 lakh, again 8 is 1 lakh plus 7 into 10,000, again 7 into 1000, 3 into 100, 4 into 10 and 1 into 1. 1 is 1 place, it means into 1. 4 is 10 place, it means into 10. 3 is 100 place, into 100. 7 is 1000 place, into 1000. Again 7 is 10,000 place, into 10,000. 8 is lakh place, into 1 lakh. And again 8 is 10 lakh place. Multiply we get 80 lakh प्लस 70,000 प्लस 7,000 प्लस 300 प्लस 40 प्लस 1। क्लियर हो गया? Now the next question, question number 2, write the short form of the following. Just opposite in first question. Okay. Next question. We know that put the place value chart. First place, ones place 4 and tens place again 4, 100 place 4, 1000 4, 10,000 4 and black 4. It means 4 4 4 4 4 4. This is one group black, one group 1000 1000 another group, and ones tens 100 this is one group. Put the comma is here, here, clear. And second method is देखिए इसमें आपको क्या करना है, यहाँ पर देखिए हमने एक प्लेस वैल्यू चार्ट बनाया, वंस टेंस 100 10,000 10,000 लैख 10 लैख। देखिए 4 वंस के प्लेस पर है क्योंकि यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लाई क्या है 1, तो यहाँ पे हमने क्या रखा 1। फिर देखा यहाँ पे टेंस के प्लेस पे क्या है आपका 4, तो टेंस के प्लेस पर 4, 100 के प्लेस पर 4, 100 के प्लेस पर 4, 1000 के प्लेस पर 4, 1000 के प्लेस पर 4, फिर 10,000 फिर 4 फिर लैख फिर 4, कंबाइन करके ये आपको लिख देना है। ये आपको कौन सा फॉर्म कहलाता है, शॉर्ट फॉर्म। इसका सेकंड मेथड क्या है वो भी देख लीजिए। मल्टीप्लाई दिस, अगेन मल्टीप्लाई, मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया आपने इसका सबका, अब आप इसको ऐड कर दीजिए, देखिए 4 लाख, फिर 40,000, फिर 4,000, फिर 400, फिर 40 और ये 4 ऐड करेंगे। 4,40,000, 44,444। ओके, सेम वैल्यू, चाहे आप फर्स्ट मेथड अप्लाई करिए या फिर सेकंड मेथड अप्लाई करिए। क्लियर हुआ? जो आपको सुटेबल लगे वो आप कर सकते हैं। देखिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, सिक्स इंटू 4 into 100 plus 9 into 10 plus 4 into 1. Multiply this. Six lakh 70,000, 1,000, 400, sum of all numbers, we get 4, 9, 4, 1, 7, 6. 6,71,494. क्लियर है? सी पार्ट, into three into 1 lakh, it means 3 lakh plus 0 into 10,000, 0 plus 1,000 plus 700 plus 30 plus 7, adding them, 1,737. It means 037,103. Once 10,100, 1 period is over. 1,000, 10,000 and then 3,01,730. Next question. 2 into 1 lakh, 5 into 10,000, 2 into 1,000, 3 into 100, 2 into 10 and 5 into 1. Multiply 2 lakh, 50,000, 2,000, 300, 25. ऐड कर दीजिए सबको. Five, 2, 3, 2, 5, 2. Okay. Comma is ones, tens, hundred. One period is over. 1,000, 10,000. Again periods is over and length. Now the exercise will be completed. This is your homework. Expanded form. Question number first. 4, 5, 9, 3, 8. 5, 6, 7, 0, 4, 4, 2, 3, 9, 9, 0. And second question, write the short form of the following. Two into 1 lakh plus 3 into 10,000 plus 4 into 1,000 plus 5 into 100 plus 6 into 10 plus 7 into 1. Next, second question, 8 into 1 lakh plus 6 into 10,000 plus 5 into 1,000 plus 4 into 100, 4 into 100 plus 2 into 10 plus 9. And this is your homework. And so children, today class 4th, why this ends. Tomorrow we'll meet again with a new exercise number 4. Thank you. Have a nice day.